Before we get started, I have a question for you. What do you think man's natural diet should be? In other words, as humans, what do you think our diet should naturally consist of? Do you think that we are carnivores? Do you think that we are supposed to be vegetarians? Or do you think that we are supposed to be omnivores, eating plants and meats? If you were to just look at current times and just to look at the present diet, only about 3 to 4% of of all societies, of all cultures, of all countries are vegetarian, and even a smaller portion than that, about 1.5%, are vegan, which is strict adherence to only plant-based foods and no animal products and no animals whatsoever. So about 97% of the entire population of the world is currently omnivore, which is a combination of plant foods and animal foods. Now, if you're a historian or religious scholar, you know that scriptures such as the Bible talks about people eating lamb, meats, animal products. So those types of things are present. You know, people have been omnivores. I have an article here written by Dr. John McArdle, and he is a vegetarian, and the title of the article is "Humans Are Omnivores." He says, there are a number of popular myths about vegetarianism that have no scientific basis in fact. One of these myths is that man is naturally a vegetarian because our bodies resemble plant eaters, not carnivores. In fact, we are omnivores, capable of either eating meat or plant foods. And the following addresses the unscientific theory of man being only a plant eater. Now, if you were to look at DNA, our human DNA is actually the most similar to the DNA in pigs and chimpanzees. And guess what? Pigs and chimpanzees are both omnivores. Humans are classic examples of omnivores in all relevant anatomical traits. There is no basis in anatomy or physiology for the assumption that humans are pre-adapted to the vegetarian diet. For that reason, the best arguments in support of a meat-free diet remain ecological, ethical, and health concerns.